everyone, good morning. It is Mari for Diva for a Lifetime. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. And it is Thursday. And you guys know I am in New England, where you get all 4 seasons in one day. So that said, it's a little chilly. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone has health and it is happy and pushing forward. So I wanted to come in, and you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, that I love to review things on my channel. Now, you guys know that I mentioned Angie Fitness TV, and she does amazing things for women over 40, which of course that's where I'm at this point in my life. And she has all levels, beginners, intermediate, or hands-on. You're good to go. So I stumbled across a rebounder workout that she did, and then of course I looked into it, and I seen that she had like this 7 like I think it's like 5 videos or something on that line. It was like a small series for rebounders for a beginner. So I'm like, okay, before I get into it, let me do a little research on the rebounder, like what it does. And okay, the minute I hit rebounder, all I see is lymphatic system. And I'm like, wow. So inflammation, clears out your cells. I mean, it does amazing things for the body. And I'm like, I'm all for it. It talks about how it drains like all the extra fluid that you have like in your body, and it helps the cells kind of like redo whatever the case may be. Amazing. So I'm just dabbling into this world of rebounding. My son has a small trampoline, and I was like, let me try it. I am so happy that I did, because it's been life-changing. It really has. To the point that I'd rather do a rebounder workout than an actual workout. I really enjoy it. I was kind of afraid of it, because the first time that I jumped on it, I got very winded, and I was just like, whoa, like, I haven't jumped, God, since I was a kid, so I'm like, okay. I did like one, it's called the health bounce. So you kind of like just start there and kind of let your body go. It was amazing. I was like, oh my God, the energy after doing a rebounder workout, I can't explain it. It feels so good and so naturally that it's just like I'm like hooked. I'm hooked. So today I was like, okay, I've been doing the series with Angie where she teaches you like the different exercises and different levels. Highly recommended if you're just starting out. I'll link the series down below. And she tells you how to modify each move and all this good stuff. So today I did the first workout. I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of it, but I'm super excited that I found this, because it doesn't hurt my back. My back doesn't hurt afterwards. My neck doesn't hurt afterwards. You guys know I have a pinched nerve. And I'm saying to myself, am I gonna be like bouncing all over the place? I got big, I was blessed on the top half. But you know what? A good sports bra to kind of like, suck you in, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys like this. I mean, I am not no expert on this rebounder thing, but I am definitely going to be investing in one. Actually, I already purchased it. It's kind of a little gift to me. This is my birthday month, so I'm like, you know what better thing to give myself something, that's good for my health. So I actually found it on Amazon. I'll do a review once I get it. The one that I'm using today is my son's, it's not mine. But I'm like, why wait? I have one here, so let's go. This one is a little bit smaller. This one I believe is 40 inches, and I bought the 48 inches. So it has 8 more inches to play with. So I hope you guys like this video. It feels good to be back. finding finding stuff that you love to do is amazing. So with that said, thank you for watching. I hope everyone has an amazing day. God bless, and we will see you soon. Bye. Good morning. Happy Thursday, and today I'm coming to you with my first beginner rebound workout. I'm super excited. I've been working up to this. Angie has a whole series where she teaches you like all the moves. I'll link her down below. Go check her out. But yeah, super excited. So let's